Hey everyone! I love trying new tech, especially AI. I was skeptical at first, then I discovered Claude AI. It's become my secret weapon, handling 50% of my AI tasks now. ChatGPT and Google Gemini were good, but Claude was different. It just gets me. It understands what I need even when I'm not so clear. This isn't about replacing other AI. It's about working smarter, not harder. Claude helps me do that. Let me tell you how. Ever feel like AI forgets what you just told it? Super frustrating. You give it some context and then, poof, it's like it has amnesia. You end up repeating yourself over and over, which is not only annoying but also a huge waste of time. It's like trying to have a conversation with someone who has short-term memory loss. But what if there was a way to keep all that context intact? Claude's Projects feature is a game changer. Imagine having a dedicated space where all your information is stored and easily accessible. No more losing track of your thoughts or having to re-explain everything. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets anything you say. Think of it like this. Each project is a dedicated workspace. You can have multiple projects running simultaneously, each with its own set of data and context. It's like having different rooms in your house for different activities. One room for work, another for hobbies, and yet another for personal projects. Let's say I'm writing a comedy sketch about time travel. I can jot down all my ideas, jokes, and character details in one place. No more scattered notes or forgotten punchlines. Everything is organized and easy to find. I can create a project called Time Travel Sketch. Within this project, I can store all my research, drafts, and revisions. It's like having a digital filing cabinet where everything is neatly labeled and stored. All the information, jokes, and character details stay within that project. This way, I can easily pick up where I left off without missing a beat. It's a seamless way to manage complex tasks and keep everything in order. No more starting from scratch. With Claude's Projects feature, you can build on your previous work effortlessly. It's like having a continuous thread that ties all your ideas together, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Claude seamlessly weaves together past interactions and information. It remembers the context of your conversations and integrates it into your current work. This means you can focus on being creative and productive, without worrying about losing important details. It follows the narrative thread, just like my brain does, on a good day anyway. So, whether you're working on a complex project or just trying to keep your thoughts organized, Claude's Projects feature is here to help you tame the context chaos. One thing that sets Claude apart is its ability to work with artifacts. Artifacts are not just limited to text documents, they encompass a wide range of digital content. This includes images, code snippets, spreadsheets, and even multimedia presentations. Claude's versatility in handling these diverse formats is what makes it truly unique. It's not just about text. Claude can seamlessly integrate and process various types of digital content. Whether you're dealing with complex datasets or creative media, Claude has got you covered. Claude can handle images, code snippets, even spreadsheets. Imagine the convenience of having a single tool that can manage all these different formats without breaking a sweat. This capability is particularly useful for professionals who need to juggle multiple types of data in their daily tasks. For example, I was working on a presentation about my comedy tour. Creating a compelling presentation requires more than just text. It involves integrating various elements like images, charts, and data to tell a cohesive story. I needed to analyze ticket sales data. This data was crucial for understanding my audience and planning future shows. Traditionally, this would mean switching between different software tools, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Instead of switching between a spreadsheet and a presentation tool, I uploaded the data directly to Claude. This streamlined the entire process, allowing me to focus on the content rather than the logistics of data management. Claude analyzed the numbers and generated charts. These charts were not just basic visualizations. They were insightful and tailored to highlight the key points I needed to convey in my presentation. Then it helped me incorporate these insights directly into my presentation. Talk about a time saver. With Claude, I was able to create a polished, data-driven presentation in a fraction of the time it would normally take. This kind of efficiency is invaluable, especially when you're on a tight schedule. We're living in a data-driven world, but sometimes data can feel overwhelming. Claude's interactive dashboards help make sense of it all. Remember the ticket sales data? Claude transformed that into a beautiful dashboard. I could see at a glance which cities had the most sales, the demographics of my audience, and more. What's cool is that these dashboards aren't static. You can interact with them, ask questions, and drill down for deeper insights. Knowledge is power, people. Section 5. Unlocking data's secrets. Let's be real. Most of us aren't data scientists, but we all have access to tons of data. Emails, social media comments, customer reviews. It's a gold mine of information. Claude can analyze all this unstructured data and extract meaningful insights. For example, I used it to analyze fan feedback on my last stand-up special. Claude identified common themes, both positive and negative. This helped me understand what resonated with my audience. Now that's how you improve your craft. Section 6. Claude versus the Titans. A practical comparison. Look, ChatGPT and Google Gemini are great tools. They have revolutionized the way we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and accessible. ChatGPT, for instance, is known for its conversational abilities, making it a go-to for casual interactions and quick information retrieval. Google Gemini, on the other hand, is packed with features that cater to a wide range of needs, from simple queries to more complex tasks. I still use them for certain tasks. For example, when I need a quick answer or a bit of lighthearted conversation, ChatGPT is my first choice. It's like having a friendly chat with someone who knows a little about everything. Similarly, Google Gemini is my go-to when I need a broad overview or when I'm juggling multiple tasks at once. Its versatility is unmatched in many scenarios. But when it comes to context management, handling complex outputs, and data analysis, Claude wins hands down. Here's a quick breakdown. Claude excels in maintaining context over long conversations, ensuring that the flow of information remains coherent and relevant. It can handle complex outputs with ease, making it ideal for tasks that require deep analysis and synthesis of information. Whether it's managing large datasets or providing detailed insights, Claude stands out as the superior choice. ChatGPT is like that funny friend who's great for quick jokes, but forgets what you talked about 5 minutes ago. It's perfect for those moments when you need a quick laugh or a simple answer, but it might not be the best choice for more serious, in-depth conversations. Its strength lies in its ability to engage users in a lighthearted manner, making it a popular choice for casual interactions. Gemini is like the brilliant but scattered professor who throws a ton of information at you. It's incredibly knowledgeable and can provide a wealth of information, but sometimes it can be overwhelming. You might find yourself sifting through a lot of data to get to the point. However, its comprehensive nature makes it invaluable for research and learning, offering a depth of information that few other tools can match. Claude, on the other hand, is like that organized, insightful friend who helps you get things done. It not only remembers everything, but also helps you connect the dots, providing a seamless experience. Whether you're working on a complex project or need detailed analysis, Claude is there to support you every step of the way. Its ability to maintain context and provide relevant insights makes it an indispensable tool for professionals and students alike. It remembers everything, connects the dots, and always has your back. With Claude, you can be confident that you're not just getting information, but also meaningful insights that can help you make informed decisions. It's like having a reliable partner who understands your needs and works tirelessly to help you achieve your goals. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI, Claude stands out as a tool that combines intelligence with practicality, making it a valuable asset for anyone looking to leverage the power of artificial intelligence. Section 7. Building your AI arsenal. Having a minimum viable toolkit is key to success in the AI age. Don't get caught up in the hype and jump on every new AI bandwagon. Start with your needs. What are your pain points? What tasks do you want to automate or improve? Then, experiment with different tools and see what works best for you. Remember, it's not about using the most tools, but using the right tools effectively. Section 8. The future is Claude-Colored. Claude has transformed the way I work. It's boosted my productivity, helped me make better decisions, and even sparked new creative ideas. I encourage you to give it a try. You might be surprised at how much it can enhance your workflow. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now go forth and innovate, and don't forget to have some fun along the way. Because if it's not fun, what's the point?